In my Gaslands builds, I'm sure you've heard me mention once or twice or maybe a dozen times this book, Gaslands Refuelled, Post-Apocalyptic Vehicular Mayhem by Mike Hutchinson. This is the book about Gaslands, how the game works. And it goes over the rules of the game. Basically the basics, vehicles, the round movement steps, additional rules, damage, and then in addition to the game itself, the technical details, it talks about creating a team, vehicle types, special weapon rules, the sponsors. You've heard me mention the sponsors before. You've heard me mention Miyazaki definitely before. I know I've done highway patrol builds. Plan on doing a Rusty's bootlegger build in the not too distant future. But there's all kinds of information about the game itself. There's a lot of photos of actual builds that people have done. There's drawings of artists' conceptions of, like, when I was doing a bus build a while back, I looked at this drawing of a bus. And my copy of the book has all kinds of yellow sticky notes sticking out of the top of it. Basic vehicle types, basic weapons. The reason I say my copy has sticky notes sticking out of it, it's because this is another copy. This copy was provided kindly by Bo Ahlgren, who recently finished one of the Silva challenge boxes. And he provided this so I can give it away to you. That is such a beautiful build. That's by James Hall. You're probably familiar with James Hall if you watch YouTube. But anyhow, Bo was kind enough to provide this. And now I'm passing this along to you, this hard copy of Gaslands Refuelled. Basically, it's a giveaway. And I'm going to put a keyword on the screen here, probably right about now. And to be eligible for this giveaway, all you need to do is comment on this video, include that keyword in your comment, and I will be doing a giveaway. Now, let me look at the calendar, since I hadn't really thought about this too much. I will be picking the winner of this book on October 8th. Yeah, I had to look again at the calendar. And then I will send it off to one of you. And so hopefully it's one of you who really enjoys the Gasland style builds. And, we have Bo Ahlgren again to thank for donating this. And I'll put links to his social media accounts. They're on the challenge video, but I will also put them on there. Be sure and check out his Etsy account because he has a lot of his builds available there. He's done some really cool stuff. And so be sure and check out his stuff as a way of thanking him for providing this to be given away to one of you. So everybody, thanks for watching this video. Good luck in the giveaway. Thanks again, Bo. And catch y'all in the next one.